ready?
Yeah, it's finally our turn to be on the stage. I've been waiting for this all year long. It's our time to shine. It's our time to show the world what we got. Well, maybe all the other teachers and all the other students and our family and friends. Well, we are in kindergarten. We're supposed to have a big imagination. Yeah, 3 to the 10th and have a bit of imagination. On one day, 3 can have too big of imagination. No! Could never happen.
Good morning. Welcome to our play based on the book A Wolf at the Door by Nick Ward. One quiet afternoon, while Mother Bear was in the yard gathering wood, Little Bear sat reading her favorite story.
Once upon a time, there were 3 bears.
All was cozy and peaceful when went the door.
Who's there? It's me! Please let me in.
Little Bear lifted the latch, opened the door, and in trotted the 3 billy goats crowd.
What do you think that's going out there?
And he shouted, come out, wherever you are. I saw him on the mountain. I saw a long black shadow, and he was leaning on me. He was scared and then threw under the bridge. I ran till I got to the door.
Little Bear sat the 1 billy goat down.
Don't worry, you're safe here.
And she started to read Billy a story.
Once upon a time, there were 3 bears.
Every everything was cozy and quiet when went the door.
It's not the squealer piglet. Please let us in.
Little Bear lifted the latch, opened the door, and in trotted the 3 little pigs.
First little pig built a house of hay, a little bit of glue to make it all stay. Don't take long to build a house of hay. It's your time to say the things you should say. Like hey little Jesus, like sweet, 2 peas in a big old tree, sun and the moon and the fish in the sea.
Lock the door quickly. A huge wolf is after us. He was fierce and angry. He was scarier than the wolf who tried to huff and puff and blew our houses down. And he was big at me! I left my house and I ran until I got to your door. Don't worry, we're safe here.
And she sat them down to listen to the story.
Once upon a time, there were 3 bears.
Everything was all quiet and calm when went the door.
Who's there? No, please let me in.
Little Bear lifted the latch, opened the door, and in rushed Little Bo Peep and her sheep.
Lost my sheep.
Little bear, lock the door quickly.
Little Bear quickly locked the door.
Down the field I heard the hedge rustle. I saw his big bushy tail. Did he bellow? Come out, wherever you are. We ran for our lives, but he chased us. We could hear him panting. We could feel his hot wolfy breath. He was huge. He was fierce and angry. And he was mean at me. We couldn't stop until we got to your door.
So Little Bear set them all down and started to read her story.
Once upon a time, there are 3 bears.
But she kept being interrupted by at the door.
What there's nothing going on. I've got someone my knock knocker. Knock knock. Who's there? Go. Go to the door and find out.
Well, that was a good one. Now, where was I? First, there was Little Red Riding Hood.
Little bear, lock the door quickly. I just saw a wolf scared than the wolf that ate my grandmother. What big teeth and eyes he had. I ran all the way to your door.
Then Cinderella.
Little bear. Little bear, lock the door quickly. I just saw a big wolf scared than my stepsisters. I ran so fast to her door that I ran out of both my glass slippers.
Then Jack and Jill.
Little bear, what did I twisty? I just saw a big wolf that scared a wild out. If I was one goody tail and if I was one pointy ears and one goody tail behind the water wheel. I fell down and broke my crown. I came coming all the way to your door.
And finally, Goldilocks.
Little bear. I know. I'm just gonna put my bed to eat breakfast in my chair until I saw a big bad wolf out my window. I ran until I got to your door, and my porridge was just right.
She's just a girl and she's on fire. Had a little fantasy, lonely like a highway. She's living in a world and it's on fire. Filled with catastrophe, but she knows she can fly away. Oh, she's got both feet on the ground and she's burning it down. Oh, she's got her head in the clouds and she's not backing down. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire.
They had all come to hide from the wicked wolf.
Don't worry, you're all safe here.
They all sat down to hear Little Bear read them a story.
We know. Once upon a time, there were 3 bears.
Then Mother Bear came in from the yard.
Goodness, what are your friends doing here? Hello, Goldilocks. I am glad you brought your own porridge today. We've all escaped from a terrible wolf. Really? He had eyes like fireworks. Oh my. And long, sharp teeth. Wow. He could double you up in one go.
opened the door.
Can we go back to Mark to play? This is the terrible wolf. Well, maybe it's one of like scary. I like fireworks. Well, maybe not as scarier than the wolf who tried to huff and puff and blew our houses down. Long, sharp teeth. Well, maybe not long and sharp. Just small and roundish. Big teeth and eyes. Well, maybe not as big as the wolf that tried to eat my grandma. Scarier than your stepsisters. Well, maybe not scarier than them. Scared the water out of your pails? Well, maybe the soda. Maybe it came from me. Scarier than I was when you ate my porridge? Well, definitely not that scary.
They all went out to play until bedtime. Can I come back at the winter house? Can I come back another time? Oh yes, come again soon. Tomorrow I bring my big brother.